Well friends, here's the next problem. The given problem is 6, 5, 9, 6, 14, 9, question mark again, 30. Given options are 21, 14, 10, 8, 14, 18 and 21, 16. Friends, if you observe the given question, we can say that the given problem is made of two series. Okay. First, let me consider the given question, that is 6, 5, 9, 6, 14, 9, question mark and 30. The first series is this one, 6, 9, 14, first question mark and 30. And the second series is 5, 6, 9, question mark and one more. Okay. Well friends, now observe over here. 6 to 9. So if I add 3 to 6, I'll get what? 9. Okay. So that is what? Plus 3. If I add 3 to 6, I'll get 9. Now from 9 to 14, if I add 5 to 9, that is 9 plus 5 is what? 14. Okay. Next is the question number. Consider second series. The second series 5 and 6. If I add 1 to 5, 5 plus 1 is what? 6. And if I add 3 to 6, that is 6 plus 3 is what? 9. In the question mark. Now observe here. 3, 5, 1, 3. Now these are odd numbers. So 3 is an odd number, 5 is an odd number. So next odd number will be 7. Okay. Now if I add 7 to 14. 14 plus 7 is what? Absolutely it is what? 21. Okay. Next odd number is what? 9. So 21 plus 9, 30. Okay. Fine. Next 1, 3. So the next odd number will be 5. So 9 plus 5 is what? 14. Okay. So what are the numbers we got? 21 and 14. 21 and 14. Now let us check the given options. The first option 21, 14, which matches with our answer. Therefore, option first is the right option. Friends, we will see some more problems.